welcome back to another vlog. You see the doll here? Actually, this year the doll cut off January. But anyhow, I am going to do my hair. I'm gonna try a sewing for the very first time. And I don't know it's gonna turn out because I have never sewn my hair before. But yeah, come with me while I get my hair sewed. But guys, I'm not telling a lie. If you don't follow me, you go over TikTok and go follow me. Trust me, my Mary Root formula is doing a good job. And that's all I can say. It's doing a good job. I got you on my. So guys, this is where I'm at. Like, I did here and then over here, and then I'm gonna do a center part. I'm gonna do a middle part. So I take out this. I hope it's not too much and I hope it's not small, but yeah, over here now. So guys, this is where I'm actually at. The braids are all neat. The braids are all neat. Yes, so I'm gonna start the process now. These are my hair and I use them already, so I'm gonna use them back. Why not? These are the ears, and I love how my hair neat and nice. And then we are going to start the process. So if you want to see this hairstyle, I want you to stay until the end of the vlog. I want you to leave a comment. I like how you guys are commenting on my vlog. I love how you guys are commenting. I love how you guys are liking. I just love it. Thank you guys for everyone who subscribed to the channel. You guys help me grow because I am growing. I am growing this channel so much. But I'm gonna continue to do my hair, and I may do a little makeup. I am not sure, but I'm definitely gonna do my hair because I have somewhere to go and I want to look good. You know what I mean? I don't want to be in a wig, because if you're living in South Florida, you know that South Florida is so hot. I know if you're living upstate, New York, PA, Massachusetts, all them states, the whole country is hot. Like, the whole world is hot. It's like a heat wave going on. But I want to sew in. I can't take no wig, and it's summer, so why not sew your ear in? But anywho, I'm gonna start sewing my hair, so I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna get it done. So I'm gonna string all my needles because I like when all of the needle them string. I think it goes faster and it makes your hairstyle done quicker, so why not string the needle? So I'm gonna string all the needles so I can get this hairstyle over and done with as quickly as possible. But I'm just here, guys. What you all up to in the summer? Where you guys going? What you guys up to? I'm so bored home because I'm home alone. I can't deal with this. But I'm gonna do my hair. Bye.
Always so potent around me. I look like sunshine and wind. I smell like success and victory. You know I'm made in his image. Righteous genetics, I got it. So prove it that this is my shot. I got you on my mind. That's the vibe. That's the vibe. That's the vibe. I got you on my side. That's I got you on.
As me day I do my ear. I remember when I used to be in Jamaica and me just start sewing ear. And one of my friend asked me for sewing her ear. Shana, if you watch the vlog, big up yourself. So Shana asked me to do her hair. But remember guys, it's my first, no, it's not my first time. When I used to go to beauty school, I did not like when I used to go to beauty school, I did not like sewing, because sewing was a task. To get it flat and neat, for me it was a task. I mean, I tell her, say the first time she come and say, oh, I want to sewing and I want it flat and nice, I was like, oh yeah, me I get flat and nice, man. Cause you know you just had the ear and you want busting at the ear industry. I was like, oh yeah, me go do it flat and nice, man. Anyway, you see when I finish sewing that ear and you lift the traxel, the whole right there, so you can see the thread. I was so embarrassed, but then again, I'm saying like I start, so you know you learn. But no, I'm a pro on sewing. Like I'm a pro. When I say I'm a pro, if you want one flat sewing, just link me. Just link me. I'm just have to come and share it with you guys. I was like, oh, look at me now, sewing in my own hair. And when me there Jamaica, me do people here, they was like, I want it flat, but I want it in me. I always have confidence in myself. And even when I can't do it, I always go watch a video and say, yeah man, I can't do it, man, I can't do it. And see that now I can sit down in my mirror, just one mirror. I can sit in my mirror and sew my own hair. I'm so proud of myself. I'm just sitting here and I'm just reflecting on some things that I have been through, some things that I have overcome, and some things that I want to go forward with, because 2026 is not over and I want to further myself in something that I love. I love doing hair, but I also love the medical field. And while I'm sitting here, I'm just thinking about to go back to school. If you know me, you know I like to go to school. So me just there and I reflect on myself, like what can you do? What do you like to do? You know, and I think that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna find myself in a school, see if I can upgrade, get more certified, because when you're in America, like you always have to get certified, you always have to go back to school. Like everything I do is always school. If you're gonna drive a trailer, school. If you're gonna be a nurse, school. If you're gonna be a hairstylist, school. If you're gonna do cleaning, school. It's like you always have to do some form of certification if you can get the job. But I think I want to do that. I think I want to just go forward with something and try to build something. What you all think? But anyway, I'm gonna continue to do the sewing. This is where I'm at the moment, and I want to put all the hair in it. I want it to be fluffy and nice. So this is where I'm at in the sewing. I had to come to the bathroom, and as you all know, this is where I reach. But chat, I'm tired. Like I'm so tired. Like this is like the next 2 hours. Because I do it myself. I may tell her say no. Oh my god. I don't know if me that sew me here again. Me that have to have somebody to help me. While me I sew it, I have to have somebody to help me. Yeah. What a relief. What a relief. But the next time I'm gonna sew my hair, I'm gonna ask somebody. I'm gonna see if I can have somebody guide me while I'm while me I sew it, because I'm not seeing. I should have used a black cap, but girl didn't have no black cap, so she gotta utilize what she have. So I have over here to sew. If you can see, I don't want to cream my hair out. I may mold it, and after I mold it, I'm gonna curl it. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna finish up then I mold, and then I curl. Okay, so I'll see you when I'm doing some curls. Yeah, see, flat, no buff, because while I'm doing the hair, I'm using my hot comb to, like, you know, make it flatten out. Okay, you don't want it high. Yeah, so you go treat with the flat comb while you're sew. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, but I think I did great. You know, so the first time I sew my hair, I think I did wonderful. I think I did wonderful. I'm gonna finish up and then I'm gonna get back to y'all. Period. When you're hairstylist, any style you want to do, you can do it. So I'm gonna do the natural hair, and then I'm gonna give some curl, and then I'm gonna come back to y'all.
That's a vibe. That's a vibe. That's a vibe. I got you on my side. That's a vibe. That's a vibe. That's a vibe. Only shake your presence, always so potent around me. I look like sunshine and wind. I smell like success and victory. You know I'm made in his image. Righteous genetics, I got it. To go with the this is my shot. I got you on my mind. That's a vibe. That's a vibe. That's a vibe. I got you on my side. That's a vibe. I got you on my mind. That's a vibe. That's a vibe. That's a vibe. I got you on my side. That's a vibe. That's a vibe. That's a vibe. Only shake your presence, always so potent around me. I look like sunshine and wind. I smell like success and victory. You know I'm made in his image. Righteous genetics, I got it. To go with the this is my shot. I got you on my mind. That's a vibe. That's a vibe. That's a vibe. I got you on my side. That's a vibe. I got you on my mind. That's a vibe. That's a vibe. That's a vibe. I got you on my side. That's a vibe. That's a vibe.
Me dear, me love my angle, bangle, and triangle. Yeah, my angle, bangle, and triangle. This Max. I'm using the Sebastian Shaper Plus. Max. I'm not up skin.
That's a vibe. That's a vibe. I got you on my side. That's a vibe. I got you on my mind. That's a vibe.
Me dear, I'm not telling you, I'm angle, bangle, and triangles. I love how it turn out, and then my natural hair just look, you know, look like my creamy. Yeah, but just I put some little soft curl in it, nothing too much, because the doll is not going anywhere. She just want the ear to look, you know, somewhat good. Yes, I'm just putting some soft curl in it, nothing too much.
I look like sunshine and wind. I smell like success and thick. You know I'm made in his image. Righteous genetics I got it. So know that this is my shine.
And feeling cute. Okay? And guys, let me say this to y'all.
That's a vibe.
You see when time when you feel down? Just go get your hair done. Okay? Just go get your hair done. So when your hair do? Yeah. So when it, yeah.
This girl are a nice girl with nice earphones summer with the
I got you on my mind. That's a vibe. That's a vibe.
So y'all, this is the end of my install. I did pretty well and I love it. As I told you guys, I didn't put a lot of curl because me no want to hold my curl in it. But yeah, this is the end of my install. Not install, me used to do so install. This is the end of the video. And I'll see you in the next one. I did a good job. I did a goddamn good job. But yeah, guys. Yeah.